Welcome to Arsal Reading Club. Today we'll learn some exciting long vowel U words with fun examples. Let's begin our word adventure. Blue. The sky is clear and blue. Glue. I used glue to fix a broken toy. True. It is true that the sun rises in the east. Clue. The detective found a clue at the crime scene. Value. Education has great value in our lives. Rescue. The fireman came to rescue the cat. Due. My homework is due tomorrow. Issue. The teacher solved the issue quickly. Continue. We will continue our lesson after the break. Queue. People are standing in a queue at the ticket counter. Revenue. The shop increased its revenue this year. Statue. We saw a tall statue in the park. Venue. The wedding venue was decorated beautifully. Argue. The two friends started to argue about the game. Pursue. She wants to pursue her dream of becoming a doctor. Great job, learners! You did amazing with long vowel U words. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Arsal Reading Club for more fun learning.